So my days are not always rosy. I got my tire plug, rubber cement, inserter, let's see, reamer outer if you will, and inserter. Go ahead and twist this back out. Gonna insert this in. Pretty much gonna hold this hole out. All the way in, all the way out. Insert their tire plug in, pull it out the other side, like this. Rubber cement. Oh, I gotta open that. Rubber cement. And you can insert it into this hole. Once you get to about there, you're gonna stop. And then you're just gonna pull this bad boy out quick. Or as quick as you can. Take your knife. Cut the excess. This is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna put your tire back on with this toward the bottom. Get the focus. Anyways, over there. Halfway on. Bring out the big guns. Nice and flat. Let's go. Good as new. Perfect PSI.